Hello everyone, Chachi424424 here. And today we're going to try to open this Abus model 41. I'm going to try to use bottom of the keyway tension on it. I'll start at the back. We'll apply some attention and see if we're able to make this open up. Well, we got a nice click out of pin 4, and it looks like we already dropped into a false set. So I'm going to lighten up my tension and see if I can get some feedback. Looks like I'm getting feedback off 1. Counter rotation, let's see if we can set it. We might have gotten it. Oh, there it is. Everyone have a great day. Remember, only pick locks you have permission to or that you own.